morning friends. Today I will discuss with you regarding the key components of railways. First is ballast. Ballast is the granular material, usually broken stones or bricks, single and conker, gravel, sand placed and packed and around the sleepers to transmit load from sleepers to formation layer. Generally, we prefer the sizes of 20 mm to 65 mm, depends upon the type. So you can see here the ballast which is kept inside, even below the rails. Now rails, the rolled steel sections laid end to end in two parallel lines over sleepers to form a railway track known as rails. Types of rails. The rails used in the construction of railway track can be divided into following three types. Number one is double-headed rails, flat-footed rails and bull-headed rails. What is the difference between all these three types? I will discuss one by one. So first is, what is double-headed rails? The rails having their head and foot of same dimensions are known as double-headed rails. I will show you the picture. You can see here the top flange and the bottom flange are having same dimension joined by a web. This is called as, and it is commonly used nowadays. The flat-footed rails, the rail sections having their feet rolled to a flat at the bottom is known as flat-footed rails. So here we require less metal for the manufacturing. Top head आप देख सकते हैं and the bottom head is flat, fixed with the bolts. The next third one is bull-headed rails. The rail sections having their head of more dimension than that of their feet are known as bull-headed rail. Means the major difference is between these three. The first is double-headed rail. It means top flange and bottom flange are having same dimensions. Then we are having top flange height different and flat-footed,